Hi guys, hope you're doing well and welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to take a look at API3. Before we begin the analysis, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I'll pin two links. One to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates and stay up to date with our premium group signals, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about the services that we provide. So looking at API3, this has been one of the strongest performers of 2024 so far, already up from the yearly open more than 100%, reaching highs of like 130% from the yearly open. This coin is often referred to as the link killer. It's kind of a competitor to Link, and the chart actually very similar in terms of what we've seen, a long period of sideways movement, and whereas Link started to make a much stronger move a couple of months ago, we're starting to see that only recently from API3. Without going too much into the fundamentals, they do very similar things, API3 and Link, very closely related. It's said that API3 actually has some advantages over Link, but as of right now has a much smaller market cap than Link, but of course that can mean potentially bigger upside in terms of percentage. So looking here at the weekly chart, as I said, we've had this long period of sideways movement, which we have now broke out from. This was ranging back from like middle of 2022. Getting a weekly close just above that level a couple of weeks ago. Last week moving back into it, but closing back above, and this week pushing on even further from there. If we go to the daily chart, one thing to be aware of, this is a highly volatile coin. I mean, we can see that a couple of weeks ago we did get a move up to where we're trading now, sort of like $3.40, but over a period of like 5 or 6 days this moved down over 40% from those highs. So yeah, very, very volatile. So there is a good chance that we do get to pick this up or accumulate from a much lower than where we are now. We actually gave this as a premium signal in the premium group. A couple of months ago now, we bought it in spot around $1.30, $1.40, something like that. It did actually hit all of our take profit targets. Personally, I am holding this into the future, and I'm actually looking to accumulate more around this daily demand here, around $2.20 down to $2. Of course, this will push my average purchase price up, my average entry price, but just recently I've been looking into a bit more, and it's something I think I want to hold more of throughout 2024 and into the next bull market. So any move down to this $2.20, $2 area, something like this, really nice area in my opinion to accumulate. In terms of where I see this going from here, if we go back to the weekly chart, just switch back there. If we run the fib levels from the all-time high, which was like set the early part of 2021, down to the lows of 2023, just under $1 there. My targets are the 0.5 fib level, first of all, in the sort of medium to long term, looking for a move up to here. Beyond that would be then the 618 fib, around $6.80. This would probably be where I'd like to, take a good amount of profit here, which would mean what sort of a 4 or 5x from my initial entry at $1.30 area. But these are my medium to long term targets, 5.560 up to 680. I do actually think in the bull run this has a chance to explode much higher into double digits. There is an outside chance of triple digits. I know some people are calling for that now, but Link did a very similar thing in the previous bull market. Started a very low value and exploded, and I think there's a chance that API3 does it this time. So yeah, as I said on the daily chart, if you don't hold a position and you're interested in accumulating, then for me the daily demand at $2.20 down to $2. It's a really nice place to start to look for a position. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Are you holding API3? What your price targets are, and anything you can let us know about the fundamentals. If you're bullish on this long term, I would be interested to know. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found this useful, and I will see you on the next video.